Hi guys, this is Alan Wynn again on YouTube on Thursday, August 31st, 2017. I have news for you in Houston. So you know that Harvey was a Category 4 major hurricane when it's about to make a landfall in Texas last Friday, and it went down to tropical storm status since last Saturday in just a few hours after reaching Texas, and it continued to dump more rain and Houston got flooded. Right now it's Tropical Depression Harvey after moving back north and is heading northeast. Another tropical cyclone storm has formed in the Atlantic Ocean named Irma, and it's a hurricane right now. I will keep tracking on that storm and where it will be heading by next week. My house didn't get flooded, so I'm safe from that as well as my family. I hope everyone has stayed safe from the floodwaters and damages from Harvey. Thank you, and have an excellent day.